Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abigail Ifanye. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for all the support. I love you guys. And this video, I'm making it for you guys too. And for the newcomers, thanks. Please don't forget to subscribe after watching this video, or please let me give you 1 minute or 1 second. Go and subscribe, please. I'm waiting.
Kitty cat losing focus, she's not fetty wap. Now where we at? Cause I'm trying to make a movie.
Alright, have you done that? Please, if you have done that, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And today I'll be sharing you guys the secret to my smooth face and why I'm glowing. You understand? So, but these ingredients I'm going to mix today is for oily skin and dry skin type. Don't worry, I'm going to share your own secret. Okay, so please, you have to get all these ingredients if you know that you want this. Don't go and say because you saw this one in another person's video, you want to add and join, or join with the one that I'm telling you now. Please, this one that I'm going to show you, make sure you just use only this one. Don't go and mix, don't go and miss, please. Okay, I'm not shouting, my love. Please don't mix another thing. Just use only the material I'm going to give to you now. Okay, so let's get started.
So our first ingredient is aloe vera gel. You can use the one that you bought from the supermarket, no problem. Just get 3 tablespoons of the gel. Just make sure you do the one that can last for you for like 2 weeks or 1 month. It doesn't spoil. All you have to do is to make sure that it's secured because of the other ingredients that are going to use, like honey and the sugar that we're going to add inside. So make sure you tighten it or put it inside your fridge. Anytime that you want to use it, you can use it any day, you can use it any night, you can use it. So I've washed my aloe vera and scooped all the gels from it. So the next ingredients is baking soda. Baking soda is nice to exfoliate all those oils on the skin. So just put half tablespoon, please, half. But if you are doing more than this one, you can add more than it. So the next one is natural honey. Please make sure you use natural honey. Natural honey doesn't give you any harm on your skin, so please use natural honey if you know that you want to get a good result. Okay, so I'm using only 2 tablespoons of honey. Then move to the next ingredients is the brown sugar. Brown sugar we are going to use is 2.5 tablespoons. That's the quantity that we are using, or I am using. So the next one is cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is good on the body, so it gives you that smooth skin. Please don't add much things, just put the quantity that can last for you for 2 weeks. Okay, mix them very well, then pour it inside a container that ants or anything will not go inside, or air, too much air will not go inside it, so that it will not start fermenting and all those things. All right, so I'm going to use my hand to test what we mixed, so that I will show you instant result that is going to give us. Okay, sorry, I couldn't use my face because I'm having all my makeup and I don't want this video to be long. Okay, before I now show you how I clean my face and do all those things. So this is the result that we're getting. See, this one on the right hand is a scrubbed one, the other one is not scrubbed. Okay,
So guys, hope you saw the differences, and please just anyway share to your friends the secret. Okay, don't keep it alone. tell your friend to tell a friend. If they have rough skin, if they want to make up and their skin is not looking so smooth, just try this. I'm not a preacher, but anyway, I'm preaching to you now. Try this method that I give to you. Please, you will never regret it. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay, so I can share more of this video to you. And don't forget to put your notification on, okay. Love you. Peace. And don't forget to follow me on other social media, Abigail Ifeanyi. There's no other name that I'm answering in other social media, be it TikTok, Instagram, so forth and so on. That's what I answer, Abigail Ifeanyi. I hope you love this my hair. Onya Afro girl, African queen. So guys, try it and give me feedback by commenting. All right, I hope you buy full chicken for me if this thing work for you. Bye. Bye.